Hi, buddy. So we're gonna go play Guess to Impress in real life.
And Pim is body. And
Yeah.
you better be a body too. She a body.
Okay, better. Okay, let's go this up. Me walking.
This is the one-way area. I don't want to say it. This is the clothing area. And
So,
this is...
So we're gonna go.
So what about
Okay, it's time to one way.
No, I'm not finishing touches.
Okay, me too. Done.
Then let's go.
Stop is Mikey. Hurry up.
And I'm body, so I got from good Shopee, Sophia, Janet, Domicilio.
Slay.
So I got first place, she got second.
No.
She a loser.